Welcome to Rajsusila Holistics. Today I am going to do pick a card when you are going to get your soulmate in your life. For this there are three groups. The first group being the Mandarin ducks. It's a pair of Mandarin ducks. This is group A, and group B is wish cow with its children, and third is family of rats. This is A group, this is B group, and this is C group. You guys please close your eyes, take a deep breath. Whichever of the form is going to come in front of your eyes, which you are going to think, that is your group. Now we are going into the A group, that is the Lovebirds Mandarin Duck group. For it, first I will pick the tarot card. The Hierophant and 10 of Wands in the reverse position. Now I will shuffle the unicorn cards. And you have got the aspiration card. And now how you are going to mold your life? The molding cards I am going to take now. And you have got my love is limitless. And now I am going to pick two charms for you. One is a love charm. And another one is a guitar charm. And some ignition codes for you. One is light. Second one is faith. Now we will go into the cards and start interpreting the cards. In the tarot cards you have got Hierophant. Hierophant represents that your soulmate may be a Tauran, and you have also got 10 of Wands in the reversed position. 10 of Wands represents Sagittarian. So the soulmate whom you are going to get may be a Tauran or a Sagittarian. There is more scope for that. And as the Hierophant rules the planet Venus, your soulmate you will be getting somewhere around May, the month of May and June. Your aspirations are high and your love is limitless. So whatever you aspire for, which kind of person you aspire for, love is there in the air. So definitely you are going to get it. You have faith in God that whatever you aspire for, you will get the same kind of person in your life. And as your love is limitless, it also says that the more love you allow to flow out from you, the more there is within you and the more you will receive. So be with unconditional love. Don't keep limitations while choosing your partner. Have faith. Light is bright. So your partner may also be a musician or who is talented in music, mainly some rock music, and he or she may like to play guitar. So chances is more that he may be a musician. And as the Hierophant you have got, we can't say that he will only be a musician. There is also possibility for you to get a partner who is in a high position, CEO or administrator, an officer in some in some company or some government institution. There is possibility of that. Have faith, light is bright, and you are going to get your soulmate in your life during the month of May and June. Now we are going into the Wish Cow group. For Wish Cow group, that is the B group, I am going to take out the tarot cards for you. The tarot cards you have got, one of them is Six of Wands, and the other card is the Devil. And Unicorn cards, I am going to shuffle it for you. And the Unicorn cards you have got Divine Sight. And now Life Molding cards, I am going to take it for you. You have got I am a magnet for miracles. And now I will take out two charms. One is a cage, and other one you have got is a key. And ignition codes. Guidance. And rain. These are the two ignition codes you have got for you. Now we are moving into the B group, the Wish Cow group, Wish Cow family group. For you guys, you have got the card Six of Wands. Six of Wands represents Leo, and the Devil card also you have got, and it represents Capricorn. So the soulmate you are aspiring for, you will feel that there is no scope for you to get a soulmate now. Right now you feel that you are under a cage and you find no way, you are bonded into it. But that is not the thing. You also have the key with you. You should forgive everybody who is around you. If you start forgiving people around you, miracles will happen in your life. You will always be a magnet for miracles. So forgiving others will bring miracles in life. Take the guidance of your elders, take the guidance of knowledgeable people, take the guidance of your parents. Unconditional love will reign on you. You are a person who will be very soft spoken, very kind hearted and compassionate. You will see divine in everyone. That is your nature. So unconditional love is going to reign on you. Six of Wands and Devil suggests that your soulmate may be a person working in army or police, or he may be or she may be a movie star or a celebrity. And possibility is also there because it has come Six of Wands. Six of Wands says that your soulmate will be a person who will be working in IT or computer. Devil is for IT and computer, and this is for film star and celebrity. He may be a Leo or he may also be a Capricorn. Possibility of getting more is there, and the time you are going to get your soulmate will be somewhere between February 15th to August 15. Between that time you are going to get your soulmate. It is definite for you. You are able to get miracles in your life. You are a magnet for getting miracles. So be happy, be hopeful that you are going to get a soulmate. Now we will move into the C group. C group is rat family. For rat family, what cards you are going to get in the tarot? I will shuffle the cards for you, and let's find out when you are going to get your soulmate, when you are going to meet your soulmate, what is in store for you ahead. I'm going to shuffle the cards. The card you have got is Two of Wands. Another card also I will shuffle for you and take out another card to find out about your soulmate. And you have got Seven of Swords. And now when coming to unicorn cards, I will shuffle that cards also for you. Unicorn cards, you have got intuition. And now life molding cards we are going to shuffle for you. And you have got I deserve joy, that is the card for you. Now I will take two charms for you. The first charm is love again, and the second charm is a aeroplane. Now we will take out the ignition codes. Ignition codes, what you have got, we will see. First one is love. You have got double love, one in the charm and one in the ignition code. And second one is like. Love and like you have got. Now we will go into divination of the cards. Now we'll go to the C group. C group is rat family. For rat family, you have got the tarot card. The first one is Two of Wands and the second one is Seven of Swords, and you have got the intuition card. And life molding card, you have got I deserve joy. And the ignition words are love and like, and in the charms also you have got love, so there is double love for you indicated. And you have got a aeroplane charm. So when we see this Two of Wands says that your soulmate may be a Arian, and Seven of Swords says that he may possibility is there that he or she may also be a Aquarian. Now when we come, you should be very careful in choosing your soulmate. You should give importance to your intuition rather than your likes, because there is possibility for you to meet such a person who is not up to the mark, who is a cheat, who is a fraud, who is just playing with your emotions, and they are not committed with you. They are just with you only for their time pass, without any commitment, just to cheat you. So wait for the correct person. You believe your intuition, believing your intuition and stay calm. That will help you to get a better partner, better soulmate, rather than going for your like. Because anyhow love is there in your life. You have got a ignition code and a charm, both which says that you have a strong possibility of getting a soulmate. So wait, according to of Wands, you will get such a person, he or she who is very rich, who has a family legacy, possibility of getting somebody who is in real estate or who is in a very high position, who does his own business, a entrepreneur, a woman entrepreneur, or if you are a woman, getting a entrepreneur is possible for you. So don't be haste, don't go to your likes, just give importance to your intuition, because you deserve joy in your life. Joy is important for you. If you don't take consideration of your intuition and only blindly go about what you like, you will land in such a person who is not up to your mark, and your life will get ruined. but at the same time there is possibility that you get a very good person, well educated, well mannered, and very who is loving, who is caring, who is compassionate. So wait, don't be in a haste. Possibilities, as you have got the flight charm, the person may be somewhere far away from you. You will meet him while you travel. Possibilities also for that, meeting the person in your travel, and he may be in a person far away from you, but your future is good. The time of getting soulmate in your life will be somewhere April and May. Possibility is there for you to get your soulmate. So everything is fine, you can go ahead. If you like this pick a card session, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe it. For personal consultation, you can call me in the given number.